Jai Hind everyone.
Not 6:10, the doors were closed.
For giving us the best service possible.
The only good feature is that this sensor works in Guwahati Vande Bharat. In NJP Vande Bharat, this thing has been disabled.
Jai Hind everyone, how are you all? So today in a new video, in a new weather, in a new season, that is monsoon. The journey will be in train number 22227 NJP Guwahati Vande Bharat Express. Currently, their monsoon has started and traveling to northeast, especially for this monsoon. And this is the Patna Vande Bharat, which will depart at 5:15. After that, the Guwahati Vande Bharat will be Sunday. And the weather is just amazing, you can see. Just amazing weather out at all here. And let's see, show you in the departure of Patna Vande Bharat. After that, meet you at arrival of Guwahati Vande Bharat. So the Patna Vande Bharat departs of time that is 5:15 sharp on time. Besides standing is the NJP HOWRAH Shatabdi Express, covered this train lots of time in the same coach, that is E1 and E2. Now Guwahati Vande Bharat will be started very soon in the platform. The journey will be between Guwahati, and from Guwahati a new journey. Stay tuned with the channel and enjoy this monsoon northeast series. और इधर and now the Shatabdi Express departs for Howrah. So Shatabdi Express departs on time. Vande Bharat will depart at 6:10. The time is now 5:30 or 5:32 and more, almost 40 minutes to departure. The train is almost all ready with monsoon weather, fully monsoon weather. And that's all for today. That's all for NJP today. Now meet you at the departure of this train. Shatabdi got departed, Patna Vande Bharat got departed, and now our train will get departed. And here the Malda Anthem. So this is my coach of the day, C1. This is the driver cab. This is the C1, which have only 44 seats. And while you enter, this is the seats of AC chair. Quite comfortable, but it should be more comfortable compared to the Howrah NJP Vande Bharat. Here you have the footrest, you have the tray table, you have the handrest. Push back switch is here. Many gets confused. Push back switch is here. Footrest, water bottles, and this is the thing which you get.
The only good feature is that this sensor works in Guwahati Vande Bharat. In NJP Vande Bharat, this thing has been disabled. But in Guwahati Vande Bharat, this thing is enabled and Udaipur Kamakha departs. They are given 1 minute for the passengers who are not going to deboard. It's a good thing in Guwahati Vande Bharat. 6:10. Dot 6:10, the doors were closed.
दरवाजे बंद हो रहे हैं। दरवाजा बंद।
So here we depart on time, 6:10 from NJP railway station. The departure is sharp on time, and one thing good that the alarm was blinking 1 minute before the departure, and in dot 6:10 the doors closed. This non-stop stretch will be total 96 km per hour. For the information, this train was inaugurated on 29 May 2023. I have attended that inauguration. The video is already on the channel. The inauguration journey video is on the channel. You can watch that. The train today itself, if we see the age of this train is 2 years 7 days, and the maintenance of this train is top notch, I can say, compared to the HOWRAH NJP Vande Bharat. As of now, HOWRAH NJP Vande Bharat, the external thing may be okay, but the internal thing has lots of problem. But in this Guwahati Vande Bharat, the internal thing is tip top, starting from automatic doors inside the coach, the seats, push back, everything is top notch in this train. So everything is 10 out of 10 I will give till now in the journey, and we are almost 45 minutes into the journey. Our arrival time at New Coast is 7:35. We will be arriving New Coast within more 1 hour. And the blue sky has already come up. We are heading towards Guwahati. We will be covering a distance of 406 Kamakha temple, so I have opted for no food because eating and going to temple is something like that, not in my spiritual thing, is not a spiritual thing. So I'll be having some snacks type thing. Will not opt for any non-veg or veg breakfast, and we'll devote at Guwahati. We'll check in the hotel and we'll directly go at Kamakha temple.
Sargum Sialda Kanchenjunga Express.
Kanchenjunga Express. This big type of washroom you will get in only the terminal coaches, which is completely Japanese style. And this is the washroom. This is the washroom. In this washroom you will get this baby sitting, and the area is too much big. In C1 and C7 or C14 in K16 coach you will get big bathrooms because there is only one bathroom for this coach. We are arriving now Coach Bihar. The arrival time was 7:35 and 7:26 we are in outer. So we have reached the new Coach Bihar and the arrival time was 7:36, but the arrival was in 7:26. That is almost 10 minutes before time. The train has arrived, new Coach Bihar, and the halt is only 1 minute, but now the train will stop 11 minutes. New Coach Bihar is famous for its Rajbari. Coach Bihar is famous for its Rajbari, Baneswar Shiva temple, and Radha Krishna temple in Coach Bihar itself. And this is the amazing Vande Bharat standing at New Coach Bihar. After this, our stoppage will be New Alipurduar. In New Coach Bihar, I think it has been slack time, but not in New Alipurduar. So this 125 kilometers were almost covered in 1 hour 18 minutes, 125 kilometers. And after this, our stoppage will be New Alipurduar. New Baneswar will skip. Coach Bihar is famous, I told, Rajbari temples, and it's a beautiful city in North Bengal. And after New Alipurduar, we will enter Assam. After that, our stoppage will be New Bangaigaon. Stoppage is only 1 minute, but now we have got time because the train arrived before time. And the environment, monsoon environment here is lovely. तो आज वंदे भारत का एस्कॉर्टिंग ड्यूटी पे थोड़ा स्टाफ लोग से मिल लेते हैं। और हम लोग के साथ है आज, क्या नाम है? पवित्र भट्टाचार्य दा है हम लोग के साथ है, प्रोफेसर सर है, विपिन कुमार झा सर है, प्रसेनजीत घोष सर है। तो सर लोग, मेरे को तो वंदे भारत का मेंटेनेंस बहुत अच्छा लगा है कंपेयर टू मैंने जितना सारे वंदे भारत में ट्रैवल किया है, बहुत अच्छा लगा है। ये वंदे भारत का मेंटेनेंस टॉप नॉच है। तो सर आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे मेरे ब्लॉग में? कैसा लग रहा है जर्नी? आप लोग को रेगुलर ट्रैवलर है,
अच्छा लगता है, आप पैसेंजर लोग खुश है तो
हाँ एकदम एकदम। सर आप कुछ बोलेंगे?
हम लोगों की अच्छी सर्विस प्रोवाइड की जाती है। हम लोग का एफर्ट से कोशिश रहता है कि सबको अच्छी फैसिलिटी मिले और जर्नी सुगमतापूर्वक चले।
सर आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
आप लोग का पैसेंजर लोग को जितना हेल्प करना सके हम लोग भारतीय रेल से कोशिश करेंगे उतना हर ख्वाहिश पूरा करने का।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर फॉर गिविंग अस द बेस्ट सर्विस पॉसिबल।
maximum crowd from New Alipurduar. 2 minutes before arrival at New Alipurduar. So our stoppage at New Alipurduar was just 1 minute, and our next stoppage is New Bongaigaon, and now we will approach Assam. And the breakfast is already given. I am not taking breakfast. I am showing you here only. This is the breakfast which you get. There will be bread. There will be Lotti Choco Pies, snacks, and there for veg there will be non-veg there will be omelette, and for veg there will be veg cutlet. That's the thing. Good at New Bongaigaon. 20 kmph.
भारतीय रेलवे के प्रमुख आपकी धन्यवाद।
Arrive Pokrajhar, just 1 minute delay, and the halt is of only 1 minute. And meet you in the next halt, that is New Bongaigaon. And here is the station at New Bongaigaon. Just 1 minute. 1 minute halt. Let's get it. Within few time we'll be reaching New Bongaigaon, and after that final stoppage will be Kamakya and Guwahati. After New Alipurduar stoppage was Pokrajhar, and only 1 minute one. In Bongaigaon also have only 1 minute one. I think the train will reach before time, and the journey is going all well and good. The train days is maintained, everything is maintained in this train very well, and the train is constantly maintaining 110 km/h. And very good service. Really satisfied with the escort team, with the cleaning staff. All I will give 10 out of 10 or 9.9 out of 10. They are trying their best to maintain this train. And this train has really enhanced the connectivity to Northeast. The only Vande Bharat of Northeast till now of NFR, and I hope soon the Dibrugarh, Guwahati, Vande Bharat, and rest of the thing will be introduced more. It will be in Bongaigaon, and after Bongaigaon, total of 150 km stretch will go non-stop to Kamakya. That's the update for now. Breakfast I'm not taking as I'm going to Kamakya temple. And that's all the thing. Journey is going on well and good. Cleanness you can see all good. So arrived New Bongaigaon. 9:13 was the arrival time. We will reach at 9:15. That is the departure time. 2 minutes on. After that, after this, the direct fall will be Kamakya. So let's get boarded now because only 2 minutes on. No need to take risks. Any factor. One of the unique features of this station is that this platform station is built over river.
কল করবো হয়তো বাথরুমে আছে তো এখানে হয়তো কল করবো ওগুলো পৌঁছে গেছে আমি বলছি
The time is 11:10. That is almost 16 minutes before arrival at Kamakya railway station. Jai Ma Kamakya. And I will not depot at Kamakya. I will come to Kamakya Mandi today itself, but will depot at Guwahati, checking in the hotel, and come to Kamakya. And here is the Vande Bharat, shining bright in a bright weather of Guwahati. It's monsoon, but currently no vibes of monsoon. It's sunny. It's little warm, but it's okay. There is no water logging and something like this. Anything. And the journey was all well and good. Neat and clean journey, soft, swift journey, and well-maintained train, well-maintained AC. Everything was well-maintained. I did not opt for food, so nothing to show about the food reviews. But cleanness is maintained to the top-notch level. And Kamakya, and from Kamakya, the departure time is 11:26, and we will arrive Guwahati at 11:40, which is almost 7 kilometers from here. And this is the Vande Bharat. This is the thing. Meet you at Guwahati, and almost ending the vlog here. Nothing to so much, and I have shown you the most of the cinematic shots, most of the nice shots which was there in the journey. Journey to the northeast is always the best of all, and best of all means one of the best route and one of the catchy route you will get in northeast up to Guwahati as well, or up to what we say in the northeast, that is the Silchar Agartala tag. And that's all. That is the train, and this is the thing. And here you have Kanyakumari Dibrugarh Vivek Express. This video, do press the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos, and more exciting videos going to come. Let's go show you the arrival of Guwahati railway station.
Indian Railways.
Almost 10 minutes before arrival at Guwahati, going towards Control Bazaar to the hotel site. Ending this vlog here. Have a nice day.